He's about 10 weeks old, you see.
Oh my gosh.
But he's got trouble with his eyes.
Oh yeah?
Yes, you see, he was damaged when he came.
Oh.
And this is the oldest young one.
How does he?
And she's lost all her baby feathers, and this is her.
Hello.
Oh no, all she's interested in is food from Mummy, please.
Right.
We don't eat. We try to eat fish, but there's nothing else. We'll eat fingers.
Yeah.
Yes, so just looking for. Yes, you can hold her. You can hold her.
Hello, yeah.
This is a real penguin, Jonah.
Yes.
This is a real penguin.
So
isn't
we
it?
have a penguin puppet. So and so he has a grandson.
Yes.
And so who is in UK. So he loves this
What's this?
penguin puppet. But this is a real one, Jonah.
Beautiful. Aren't
Yes,
they?
this is a real one.
Say hello to Jonah.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, you want to go? That's amazing, Sylvia.